Good after morning, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is October 26th, 2022, and we're looking at summer squash. Now, what we want to figure out is whether or not these guys are perishing solely because of the loopworms that ate away the leaves, or if they've been affected by the root knot nematode or something else, who knows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull them. Now, it's been about 70 degrees, between like 60 and 80 degrees each day, so hanging around 70-degree range. So these guys can still grow, but they're not going to be growing comfortably. And more often than not, they will not throw off any flowers going forward in these weather conditions. So we'll take this one. We'll pull this one first. Let's see if we got any. I'll see, you can't really tell there, so let me see if I can grab. What we want to try to see is if the root knot nematodes attacked. So here's I don't really see in these roots, I don't see any nematodes. So maybe we'll look at this guy over here. Let's go ahead and pull this one. It's still lively. Now this soil has beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi. Let's look at this root. Look at that. You can't see any sign of root knot nematodes in this soil. So the beneficial bacteria and the beneficial fungi seem to have had a tremendous positive impact on the soil. I can see what looks like a little tiny bit, but it's barely even noticeable, like right there. Barely noticeable. So I think the beneficial bacteria and the beneficial fungi are very good for the soil. Let's take a look at this one. I couldn't even get any, see it rotted too much. I couldn't get any root. Let's pull this one out. Alright. Oh, look at all those fire ants. Ooh, I almost got bit to death. So yeah, those fire ants are all over. I don't know if that has anything to do with the death of this plant, but I'm definitely not going to pull any more at that spot. Let's go look over here. See if this guy. Oh, waited too long on that one. See what these guys got. Waited too long on them. Let's pull this one. This one's got to have some liveliness to it. I don't really see any root knot nematode intrusion. This one I'm going to leave alone just to kind of experiment, see how long we can grow it into the winter. Well, it's looking like the beneficial bacteria as well as the beneficial fungi are keeping the root knot nematodes away. Or can we definitively say that that's the case? I don't think so yet, but it's looking like a strong case. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, as I'll keep you updated on the progress of our summer squash going into next year. Have a great day.